Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to be using the Dremel SawMax. I'm going to be showing you exactly how I cut some wood with this and my pros and cons about this particular tool. Today I'm going to be cutting a piece of half-inch blonde plywood. I have a straight edge here that I hooked up with this clamp, so I'll show you how I set that up as well for straight cut. So it works good if you don't have like a workshop or a bench top to work with or any kind of straight surface. You can actually just use this on the ground. I have a piece of 2x6 underneath that I clamp this to, and then I also have a 1x8 that I'm using for my jig as a straight edge, so I can easily just cut this straight. So with this Dremel SawMax, I've had this for about 2 years. Okay, it's about $100 at Home Depot. It comes with wood, plastic, and metal blades, which are easy to change. You just gotta lock this here, lock this lever, Allen wrench, and loosen the nut here, and you can easily swap out the blades. Okay, I use this mainly for wood. I cut like 1/4 inch, half inch mainly is what I use to use this for. You can cut up to 3/4 of an inch with this wood. Very easy lever right here, and I'll show you how that works. So as you can tell, it's flat, and then if I want to change it, of course you got to unclamp the lever, tighten it at your desired width, and I have it set at 3/4 of an inch right here. Okay. Usually that's just what I leave it at. Even if I'm cutting half inch, it works a lot better. This thing's kind of heavy. It does work really well. It's a very good portable saw if you don't ever want to just dig out the table saw for whatever reason, or you don't need the table saw for precision. You can get a really good straight cut with this just by setting it up the way I have it here. Like I said, it's not that ergonomically shaped. I do like the handle, and it comes with a safety device lever right here. And for continuous cut, you can hold this lever down and it'll cut it as well. So there's also a little notch right up here. As you can see, that's where it lines up with the blade. So down here, I'll show you exactly how I set it up, and then I'll do a quick cut for you guys. Overall, the saw works really good though. If you don't want to, like I said, dig out the table saw, it's a good saw, especially for the money. I've used it quite a bit, and it's very handy and portable. So I'll lower this so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so I had this all set up. I already started a little cut here, and I lined this up. There's with a little notch here. I drew a straight line. I measured on each piece, and then I marked it, and marked at the top, and I just drew a straight line between the two. And I also lined this up flush to where this is going to be. So just like that, then I can just cut straight across and not have to worry about it shifting or whatever. But I'll show you guys how it works. Typically, I like to use my ear protection, eye protection, but it's just a quick cut here, so I just want to show you for demonstration purposes. Okay, so overall, cut's pretty good. A little bit here it didn't get, but overall it's a good clean saw. I like it. It cuts well, cuts pretty straight. Of course, you'll still need to sand it down, just get the little scrapes here or anything like that, but it works pretty good. Other than that, that's it.